Alrighty, let's go over how to draw Bracken from Lethal Company, alright? It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so stick around. It's going to be a really short lesson. Alright, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a head area. And I would say the head area, we're going to make it curvature for the top of the head right there, like this curve for the dome. Gonna pull down over here for the front of the face. A little bit of a snout. Pull back up over here, curve for the jaw area. Down over here this side, down the back of the neck. Over here, circle for the eye. He's got these eerie eyes. And like a thinner circle for the other side. So it looks like it's going around the corner. It has to be a little bit thinner. Not shorter, but thinner. Line over here. Draw a little bit of a line here on the head to show a little bit of a change of shape on the head itself. Downward over here to the neck. Pulling out over here, down the shoulders. Top of the shoulder right there, which is the deltoid. Pulling over here, which is the other part of the deltoid. Curve over there for the tricep. The bicep on this side. Down over here for the kind of pit of the elbow here. Out over here for the elbow and down the forearm. Okay, pull down to the wrist area. And then he's got this big, goofy, weird hand over here, which is like big for the rest of his arm. There's a finger. Finger. He's got 4 fingers. Please, if you like Lethal Company, let me know. Let me know in the comments right now. Say, hey, I like Lethal Company. Draw more of the monsters from it. Draw more characters from Lethal Company. Let me know, okay? Because I do listen. I read every single comment, and I reply to every single comment, okay? So if you say something in the comments right now, I'll reply to it. So absolutely, do that if you can. It's there. I'm here to help you out. Line over here for the pectoralis. Line down over here for kind of the front of the chest, which is the pec. Curve right here. And curve right there. The front of the chest is split up, in 2 parts, right? Because that's just how it is. Okay. Down over here, the rib cage, pulling in. Down over here, it's got a really skinny waist, really bizarre area there. And then out over here to the knee area, pulling back. Alright. Pulling up over here, down. Back of the calf area. And we're going to run that off the page there. Over there, we'll run off the page. He's got these heel in the back there. Alright, so far so good, okay? So far so good. Stay with me. Let's keep going. Alright. Shoulder. Bicep on that side. Down over here. He's got his arm kind of just at ease on the back end right there. And then down over there. So his other arm is just kind of back there. So we're not going to complete it. It's fine. His hand is behind his arm there. And he has these bizarre things coming out of his back, which is what we're going to do. Back, down. Almost looks like a leaf. Smaller one over here. I'm thinking more of like a stegosaurus. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Out over here, back, in. Out over here, down, up, down, up, down over here. Kind of like like that stegosaurus kind of thing going on. He has that. It's really cool looking in my opinion. It's on both sides, but You know, we only see him from one side right now, so it's pretty good. So I would say the rest of them, you can kind of draw like curve right here, like the rib cage, down, and you can draw a lot of him in shadow if you want. So if we were to draw something like that. You know, there's a little bit of shadow on the side right there. Line over here under the neck. There's a bit of shadow. In the face, big time, which is something I didn't you know, tackle before. So let's just say, let's give him those raccoon eyes. Like the droopiness under the eye right there. Definitely helps out. Curvature right here in the tricep. By the way, don't forget, check out the free ebook we have in the description. It'll have you join the email list. You know, thousands of people have joined the email list already, so go join that by getting that free ebook on how to draw something cute, which is hilarious because we're kind of not on that topic right now. But it is really, really good to kind of do that. It helps out everything. If you want to make art like part of your life, absolutely go get that free ebook or join that email list. But that's, you know, you do it the same way. I'm putting up stickers as well, so you can go check that out. There's a lot of cool, I would say, utilities and things to use if you're an artist or you want to be an artist in the description. There's a lot of stuff. There's playlists. There's what's it called? Skillshare. I was gonna say there's Skillshare drawing lessons, so you can draw, you know, like we go over like anatomy, right? We'll go over every bit of like this arm, for example, which we're not gonna go through every single bit of this arm, but you know, anatomically. But things like that are valuable resources if you want to be an artist and it's something that you think you really want to do. And I'm throwing like a thick line around here, just the bottom of it, giving it some form of dimension so it's not just like a bunch of lines, right? That's kind of, you know, again, line is totally fine, but if you want to throw a little bit more in there, there's something like that. And you can kind of just keep going with him. He is a monster, so you can draw thinner lines. Thinner lines equal detail. See? So like thin lines just along the edges. So like let's say in his fingers, you can draw these thin lines. And what these thin lines do is they kind of give you a little bit of a they give you like maybe across the chest and the rib cage. It gives you a little bit more dimension and things just look more, I don't know how to say, like used up, more detailed when you put these just relatively thin lines around here as like dressing on your character. You can draw this whole lower body right here in dark if you want. It's up to you. If there's another character from Lethal Company, please tell me, by the way. I would love to hear it. What I want you to do is I want you to stay with me right now, okay? Stay with me. We're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? Whenever you do another drawing lesson, it just kind of helps you out and it helps you improve in general with drawing. So let's go on and push into another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.